look at that. Bolt store in a pallet box. So, I don't know. What are you guys doing today? What are you doing to keep yourself occupied here? So it rained like crazy and boys can't go to work. I can't go out and run the grader and finish my ditch. So I've got 3 drawers in this toolbox set up for bolt bins. So my plan today is to take all these bolts and nuts out of these boxes and get them in there. So anyway, this came out of Spokane. I don't know who filled it. Doesn't have name on there, but my dealer's H511. That way when I call the factory, I go, yeah, this is H511. I need to know the hard cost on a D9 for a dealer. Yeah, it doesn't work. If it did, I'd call them. That way I'd know what they cost, huh? They wouldn't tell me. They'd say, well, who the hell are you, Jeff? Oh, you're that Jpaydirt guy. We ain't talking to you. So anyway, I got bolts there. Got a bag of hitch bearings there. So let's start opening them up, see what we got. Hey, it's Bolt-mageddon. I got more bolts and nuts than I know what to do with. And I got to figure out what lengths and how I'm going to arrange them in the drawers. That's 1/4 inch stuff. Lots of 1/4 inch. That one was broke open. You know what I was going to do, and I could still do this. I was going to take all these bolts and weigh them to figure out what this cost me per pound, but there's the paperwork on it. I mean, I ordered bolts and nuts and stuff by the 100, and so whatever we don't use in the toolbox will go out into the service truck. So this bag here, yep, this looks like all the smaller stuff, 3/8. Hopefully I bought some hard flats and stuff. Yep, washer, hardware. So I did. I love these cat hard flats. Love them. Okay, so I wish I'd have wrote down how many different lengths, but each one of these drawers has 5 compartments. Now I can adjust the size of them for what I'm putting in there. So like your nuts and washers, probably small ones. I could add some more, but where you got 5, if you put, if you had nuts, lock washers, flats, that only leaves you 2 bins for bolts, and that ain't gonna work. So you know what I could do, if it works out that I have 5 different lengths, which I'm not sure I do, but I could put the lengths in here, and then over here on this side I could go 1/4, 5/16, 3/8, and 7/16, and then I probably have to go to another drawer to go 1/2 inch and up. So that's what I'm trying to decide how to organize this. Well, I'm just gonna have to start doing it and see how it works out. So first I need to figure out what I've got in the line of 1/4 inch and start there. That's funny. So they put 4 3/8 nuts in a bag. Excellent work, man. Cat uses a lot of 7/16 on those hose hold downs for the code 61 flange end hoses, and so we never have enough 7/16 stuff, it seems like. And the thing about 7/16 bolts is the industry uses 5/8 head on a 7/16 bolt, and Cat uses an 11/16 hex head. So a little different there. So I'm gonna just open them up, and I'm gonna get all my 1/4" stuff lined up, see what I've got for how many different lengths I have, and then go from there. Then I can figure out how to organize it in the box. Jeff's Bolt Store. Oh, I ordered a radiator for the car. That should be here. I can get my radiator in. I can get some hoses on it. I can get that part finished, and then I'm gonna get some door panels and stuff ordered for it, so I can go on the inside. Okay, so it looks like I've got 3 different lengths. So I will go. How do I want to do that? I can throw all the flats. I don't have any lock washers. Wonder why. I didn't get lock washers. We're gonna have bolts coming out our ears, man. Okay, so I think what I need to do is, if I have only one more length of these ones, then here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna slide these babies down there like this and put those other ones in there, and then I'll put a divider here. You put these in there like so, like this. Did I do that right? Yes, I did. And then you just take them, put them down in here, and snap them to this deal. There, that one's on. I got it adjusted right. There we go. So there we go. So now I've got another compartment. So on the 1/4" side, I don't need them very big. So I could either go nuts, hard flats, lock washers here, have them large, or I could close them up and put some more dividers in and have even more places. So I was going to mention to you, I've been a good boy, been eating healthy so I don't get sick. Feel really good today, super good. If you don't know what I'm doing, go to YouTube and go watch Dr. Eric Berg. I do intermittent fasting. Oh, sweet, Bruce Mountain. Probably not going to fit those back there, but we're going to give her a whirl. Woo, yeah, it's a little overfull. So now you know why I've been putting this off. Been just waiting for a time like this where, you know, a guy can have enough time to do this, because sorting bolts and getting everything organized, it's just always time consuming, isn't it? I got about 400 pounds of bolts in this drawer. The only thing I'm missing is lock washers. Apparently I didn't get lock washers. And then my 1/2" stuff kind of overflowed. I had 3 long sizes that had to come into this side. And then I've got 5/8 stuff. And I've got room for 3/4. And then down here we'll do 7/8 and 1". But a lot of these dividers will have to come out because those bolts are probably going to be quite large. So anyway, I've still got a lot of bolts left over. They'll go out into the service truck to finish filling the truck up. And then that is enough bearings to do a cushion hitch on a scraper. Okay, so I finally got the store fixed. It's gone back to my old original www.jpaydirt.com. It says it right there. There's no icon there, so if you can't hover over that area and bring that up and click on it and open the store, what you want to do is go down here to my video, one of my videos, and then go down here to the comments. I always pin a comment at the top of every video with the links to everything on it. My Facebook, Instagram, the tool crown, toolboxes, and my address if you'd like to send me a letter or anything. So just go here to Jpaydirt, click on it. So I've had some people that told me they don't want to use PayPal. Well, you don't have to. So we'll go over here to the shop. Let's just pretend we're buying a sticker. We're going to click on add to cart, and we're going to click on view cart, and here comes the dreaded PayPal. But you just go ahead and click on that. If you have a PayPal account, it will take you to that page. There's mine, Jpaydirt. Nope, you can't have the password. If I was using this, I would log in. If I didn't want to use this, I would click on this one, pay with debit or credit card. And so it's going to take you to this secure area. Discover American Express, Visa, or MasterCard. And so you just fill out the information and complete your order. And bang, you're done. Piece of cake.